Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really fun insert card for you. This is my piece insert card. How fun is this design? You have those doves there at the top, that little holiday bell in the middle. I love the little reindeer and then the peace sentiment, and of course that reindeer there in the center. Really fun design. And of course I included envelope as well. Like all of my insert cards, it can be made on any Cricut cutting machine from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Venture, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your standard grip or light grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, whichever pen color you're going to choose, your scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue, and your cardstock. Now that we know which materials we're going to need for the project, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2024. If you're watching this video during the event, you can access the cut file from the event page at thebeardedhousewife.com/holiday-event. If you are a VIP access pass holder, the download button for the cut file is below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, that gives you full access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, bonus cut files, and commercial licensing, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH2024. I have links to all of these in the description box below. No matter how you get the cut file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Now I'm going to be using the Cricut Explorer and Cricut Maker version. If you're going to be using the Cricut Joy or Cricut Joy Extra, you'll be wanting to select this option. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. We can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines and draw lines. So let's find the envelope, click on this little icon to drop down the layers, highlight that top layer, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And now we need to do the same thing for the card base. Drop down those layers, highlight the score line, change that to score. This second layer we're going to want the machine to draw the design on. So highlight that layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. Then highlight the group and attach. Once those two have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish along the score line on our card base. Go ahead and open up that base. Then we can place the insert into the slits on the card base. Just like that. I'll set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin that envelope around, fold those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this card? Isn't the design so much fun? I just love that sentiment there in the middle, and that little reindeer is so adorable. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for me today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.